All right, guys. Hello and welcome to Mindset Hustle. Welcome to the final lesson of our affiliate masterclass course that I started with you guys. And sorry for releasing the final lesson very late. I was actually making preparation towards a program that I am currently attending. That is why it's kind of I delayed this particular lesson, so please forgive me. And if this is the first time you are coming across this particular course, it means you need to watch from lesson 1 till lesson 7 before watching this particular lesson. Now, after this lesson, it doesn't mean that I will not release future videos on affiliate marketing on this channel. I will do so because there are certain things I didn't tackle them during the course that I will tackle as separate topics or separate content on this channel. Topics like how to get content, okay, content that you use to promote your product, that is your affiliate products, okay. So I'm going to be doing that uh, in subsequent videos, but it's not going to be as like it won't be following these particular lessons, okay. To be random, I don't know which particular day it could be. It will be the next video I might do, or there might be a different video because before this particular video, okay. Before that particular video. So please just stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel so that anytime we release new video, you will be notified that Mindset Hustle has released a new video, okay. All right. So what we are going to look at today is 7 key points, okay. 7 key points that makes a successful affiliate marketer, okay. I'm not going to be talking too much on each of the points. I'm going to just summarize them because I spoke on them during the previous lessons, but then I'm organizing them in this one so you know what to do in your affiliate marketing journey, okay. And currently I'm here for the Derive Affiliate Conference 2022. That is why I am here in Kigali. Yeah, in Kigali. So right now we are going to start with the first one. So the first point is that you should create a solid content, okay. You should create a solid content. All right. Now when I say a solid content, I mean you shouldn't create uh content that people have already created or produced and published out there. When that happens, what becomes uh of you is that your content looks like it is being duplicated to what, to Google. All right. And based on that, Google is not going to what, rank your content. YouTube is not going to rank your content if it is a video content. If it is an article, Google will not rank it. All right. If it is a social media post, your social media platform is not going to what, it's not going to rank it. If you're using Medium will not rank your article if it is what, a copied or a reproduced what work. So you have to always make sure you create what, an original what, article, okay. You create an original article, a very detailed article with detailed information. All right, guys. All right. Now the next thing is that in doing so you should provide information rather than selling your product, okay. So let's say you are promoting a health product, and instead of giving detail to the people about what the product does, why they need to use the product, or why the product is so vital, you see, if you don't provide those details, okay, and you just go on telling the people you need, buy this supplement, buy this product, you need to buy it. Why do I need to buy it? Why do the client or the person looking to make this purchase, why is he or she looking to make that particular hot purchase? This is what you need to make clear to them. This is what you need to make clear to them. Without doing so, it's just like you forcing the client to what to make purchase, okay? Or you are forcing your followers to what to make purchase for your commission. They are also looking for information. If they can't get the information that they are looking for from you, they are not going to what to convert to what to sales, for you also to what to make commission out of that. So as a beginner, you need to understand that you have to provide information rather than just selling the product, asking them buy. Why should I buy? You have to provide the answer to that why. Detail one, not what everybody is telling them. Try to convince them with details, but not lies. I said it in the lessons. Don't lie to make people buy the product, because if they end up buying and the product doesn't work as you promise, it is going to go against you, going to affect your integrity, and next time the same people will not like to buy any product you recommend. All right. Now, the third thing is for you to know your product. Okay, there are a lot of people or affiliates that promote things they don't know anything about. So you have to research about the product, know the product inside out before you start promoting. As I said, we have different types of what products, okay, or affiliate products, and we look at those types of what affiliate products. So if you don't know what types of affiliate products we have, you can watch the previous lessons and get an idea and know which type of product that you need to uh advertise, write content, or promote using what native ad. Okay, guys. All right. Now, the next thing is you have to concentrate on a specific niche. So I talked about niche in the previous lesson. So you need to concentrate on one single niche. Okay, it's very important that you concentrate on one single hot niche. If you don't do so, you realize that you find yourself wanting, you find yourself what suffering, because you'll be moving from niche. So if it is weight loss that you want to promote, just continue promoting products concerning weight loss until you master the art of your hot of your promotion, and also of the products, the like, the inside out of the products and the niche in which you are, to the extent of every corner of the niche, how to pull out the secrets in the niche to convince people that in that particular niche to buy products or to sign up to what products. So it's not every product that you promote that people need to buy it. For instance, the deriv that I promote, you don't need to buy anything. You sign up with them, then you trade. If you are a forex trader, you trade with them, and that is how the commission comes. But there are other products, for instance, I was saying weight loss products like this, they need to make purchase. All right, because I told you we have cost per action, cost per sale, cost per click type of what sorry, pay per sale, pay per click, pay per action types of what types of affiliate programs that you can promote. That's why I said you should watch the previous lessons to understand this. All right, so now the fifth point is that you should dedicate time. Okay, so there are a lot of people that don't dedicate time. They don't give time to what they are doing. So they start something now, and then uh, they don't give it time to learn more about it, to research more about it, to know more about it. They don't like, they just think once they learn it once and that is all. No, it's not like that. You need to invest your time in it. You need to give it more time and more time and more time to become very conversant with whatsoever you are doing. Once you do that, you see that you have a smooth run. Okay, you have what? A smooth run in whatsoever you are doing. All right, so the next thing is that you need to be patient. So some people think most of these things, affiliate marketing, forex trading, crypto trading, and all these things, people think they are get rich quick ventures. No, affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick venture. That's why I said you need to dedicate time. Okay, so after dedicating time, you need patience to see results. Okay, you need patience to see results. It's very important that you need patience to see results. If you are not patient enough, you will not see results. If you are not patient enough, you won't see results, and that can affect you big time. That can affect your out, because you become discouraged when you feel you are not getting result. But it doesn't just happen once. How consistent, which brings me to the next point, that is consistency. You have to be consistent with how often you write content, that is a article or video or social media post. How often you do them, how often you write them, how often you post them, also brings about uh, how you get to audiences. Okay, both those following you and new audiences that are coming on board to follow you due to the niche in which you are. Okay, so these are the seven main um, points that I have used to become successful in this field. Okay, you can also use this to become successful in the field. I can't say I've given you all information in this short course, but I've given you vital information in this short affiliate marketing masterclass course that should help you to start this affiliate marketing journey, and then build upon it yourself through research. That was how I also started. Gradually, I built on researching the internet for more information and more information, and that way I became successful. One person cannot give you every information that you need in this field or any field. You need diverse information and knowledge from multiple people. Okay, so based on that, you need to do what? Research. I wish I have all the time in the world to do all the research for you, but it's not done like that. Okay, so you need to also put in the work. Now I've opened your mind to what affiliate marketing is. The rest is left over to you to put in the consistency, to put in the consistency and to become successful affiliate marketer over time. As I said, it's not something that's going to make you millions in a night, millions in an hour, millions in a day or two or in a month. Depends on how consistent you are and the niche in which you are. And I taught you how to what? Select niches. So if you have not watched the previous lessons, do well to watch them. And also don't forget, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon so that next time when we release a new video, you will be notified that Mindset Hustle has released a new video. Until the next video, it is bye from here.